Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Rosalie, and if you've been wondering how AI is shaking up the freelance world, then stick around, because this video is gonna break it all down for you. Whether you're a freelancer, an aspiring gig worker, or someone looking to start a side hustle, AI is opening up new doors and changing the game in ways we never thought possible. In this video, I'll be showing you the latest AI tools and strategies that freelancers are using to boost their income, reduce their workload, and get ahead of the competition. And if you stay until the end, I've saved one game-changing AI tool that can literally make you money while you sleep. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with someone who could use some extra income ideas, because I'm about to show you how to thrive in the AI revolution.
AI has changed so much in the freelance world. Gone are the days when you needed to do everything manually. Now, AI tools can take on repetitive tasks, give you creative ideas, and even handle client communication for you. Freelancers today have an edge like never before. The freelance market has exploded in recent years, and AI is the fuel behind it. From copywriting to graphic design, video editing, and even customer service, AI is making it easier for freelancers to deliver high-quality work in record time. Let's start with one of the most in-demand freelance services, copywriting. Thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT and Copy.ai, freelancers can now generate professional-level writing in minutes. Whether you're writing blog posts, product descriptions, or social media content, these AI tools can give you a massive productivity boost. And here's the kicker, you can take on more clients without spending hours writing from scratch. With a few simple tweaks, you can deliver high-quality content quickly and make more money per hour. Now let's talk about graphic design. Platforms like Canva and Loca have revolutionized the way freelancers design logos, social media posts, and even full branding kits. With built-in AI suggestions and templates, you can create stunning designs even if you're not a professional designer. Imagine offering graphic design services to clients, letting AI handle 80% of the work while you focus on the creative finishing touches. This is a major game changer for freelancers who want to diversify their income. Video content is everywhere, and as a freelancer, you can jump on this trend using AI-powered video editing tools like Descript and InVideo. These tools allow you to cut, edit, and add captions automatically, without needing to spend hours on post-production. With video marketing on the rise, more businesses need fast, affordable video editing. Offering these services, even if you're not a professional video editor, is now possible thanks to AI. And the best part? AI makes it super simple to deliver high-quality, engaging videos in a fraction of the time, which means you can take on more clients and make more money. Managing social media for clients can be time-consuming, but not with AI tools like Hootsuite and Buffer. These platforms allow you to automate posts, analyze engagement, and even recommend the best times to post for maximum impact. Freelancers are using AI to handle multiple accounts without breaking a sweat. Imagine having the power to manage several clients' social media accounts, schedule weeks' worth of content, and analyze results, all with a few clicks. This is the future of social media management. Customer service is critical for businesses, but handling inquiries manually can take time. With AI chatbots like ManyChat or Tidio, freelancers can set up automated customer support systems for businesses, saving them time and money. These chatbots are highly customizable and can answer frequently asked questions, take orders, and even guide users through a sales process. It's an easy sell to local businesses who want to improve their customer service. And here's the secret: once the chatbot is set up, it runs on autopilot, giving you passive income with little to no upkeep. Finally, AI is even helping freelancers land gigs. Tools like Jasper are integrating with platforms like Upwork to help match freelancers with the right clients faster than ever. These platforms are using AI to suggest jobs, optimize your profile, and even help you write better proposals. With AI on your side, you're not only able to find work faster but also increase your chances of landing high-paying gigs. This is like having a personal assistant guiding your freelance career.
There you have it. AI is completely transforming the way freelancers work. Whether it's copywriting, graphic design, video editing, or social media management, AI tools are allowing freelancers to take on more clients, deliver faster results, and boost their income. The opportunities are endless, but you need to take action. Start incorporating these AI tools into your freelance business today, and watch your productivity and your earnings skyrocket. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and share it with a fellow freelancer who could benefit from these tips. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll dive even deeper into how to maximize your income with AI. Don't miss it. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try. I'd love to hear your thoughts.